उसको कोड़े मारो।
He was brought before the Prophet a second time, accused of the same crime. It was again ordained that he should be whipped.
वो तीसरी दफा फिर ले आए, लोगों ने कहा इसके ऊपर लानत है कि बार बार इसी जुर्म में आ जाता है।
Again a third time, he was accused of the same crime. And he was brought before the Prophet and it was ordained that he should be whipped. And then the people said he should be cursed, and they said all sorts of good and bad things about him, because he's being brought before the Prophet for the same crime time and time again.
उस वक्त हुजूर ने कहा इस पे लानत न भेजो, ये अल्लाह से मोहब्बत करता है।
Then the Prophet Muhammad at that moment said, in reply to the accusations and the curse of the people, that do not curse him, because he has the love of God inside his heart.
और जो लोग अल्लाह से मोहब्बत करते हैं वो दोज़ख में नहीं जाते।
Because those people that have the love of God inside their hearts, they will not go to hell.
वो भले बेमज़हब हों या शराबी हों या गुनहगार हों, अल्लाह से मोहब्बत करने वाले हों।
Even though they drink and commit misdeeds, and even if they have no religion, even if they have no religion, they drink and do all sorts of things, if they have the love of God inside their heart, they cannot go to hell.
तो अब इन लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी है ना कि उनके दिलों में अल्लाह की मोहब्बत आए।
So now it is important for you people that you have the love of God in your hearts. You know how this is created and formed.
तो वो तब आएगी ना जब हर वक्त या तो अल्लाह को देखें, अल्लाह को देख नहीं सकते हैं पर अल्लाह अल्लाह करें 24 घंटे।
There are two ways of getting the love of God, of finding the love of God. A, that you first see God. Once you've seen Him, you will love Him. But we have not seen Him yet. We are unable to do so. The other way is to find a way in which we can commemorate His name, through which the chanting you can find His love. And that Shah Sahib teaches how it is done with the heartbeat, when that converts into the remembrance of God.
जब दिल की धड़कनों के साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह मिलाएंगे तो अल्लाह की मोहब्बत आएगी।
When our heartbeat is converted to chanting the name of God instead of simply saying tick 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 tick, when it says Allah Allah Allah, then the love of God is created and found in the heart.
उनके दिलों में अल्लाह की मोहब्बत पर अल्लाह इनसे मोहब्बत करेगा।
When in your heart there is the love of God, then God will love you.
हर वक्त अल्लाह अल्लाह होगा ना फिर दुनिया की मोहब्बत ख़त्म हो जाएगी ना।
When in your hearts there is the love of God and the name of God is chanted at all times, and slowly but surely you will see that the love of the world will start to diminish in your hearts.
फिर जो चीज़ अल्लाह को पसंद नहीं है ना फिर उनको भी पसंद नहीं होगी ना।
Those things that God does not like, those actions He does not like, slowly and steadily you will see that you don't like those things either.
फिर उस वक्त अगर किसी में मज़हब में जाना चाहेंगे ना अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से डायरेक्शन होती है।
At that point, if you wish to enter into any religion, God will actually direct you, guide you by His light, and will enter into a religion.
अगर ना जाना चाहेंगे ना तो ये मोहब्बत ही काफ़ी है जन्नत के लिए।
Then, if you should decide that I do not want to go into any religion, that's fine. You got found His love, and that's enough for you and for paradise.
सीखना चाहते हैं तो बता देते हैं वो तरीका किस
So I
तरीके
will
से।
ask you, should you wish to learn how this is done, then I will teach you how to convert the heartbeat into chanting the name of the Lord.
ये सब जो बैठे हुए हैं सब ने ये सीखा हुआ करे हैं।
So, Shah Sahib saying all these people who are sitting before you, they've all learned this technique from us. You just got to get it.
बताए ना पहले कागज़ पे ऊपर अल्लाह लिखें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसको देखते रहें।
The first thing that we have to do, which forms the teaching of Shah Sahib, is that we have to write the name Allah on a piece of paper, and we have to look at it as much as we can, just as it is on that paper there.
और इसका सबूत ये है ना अल्लाह का पिछले साल ब्रेडफोर्ड में आसमान पे अल्लाह लिखा नज़र आया था, तो वहाँ के टेलीविज़न वालों ने खबर शायद करी बताया था।
As far as the name Allah is concerned, last year in the city of Bradford in the United Kingdom, the same name was seen appearing in the sky, and news commentators and TV people actually captured it and they broadcast it.
दूसरा तरीका है ज़ीरो के बल्ब पे अल्लाह लिखे पीले रंग से, सोते वक्त उसको देखते
The
हैं।
second thing you can do, get a small bulb, write the name Allah on it in yellow ink, and then look at it a few moments just before you sleep each night.
जो तरीका ये पसंद कर रहे हैं।
You can either look at the paper or look at the bulb, whichever you choose.
फिर एक दिन आएगा ना तो जो देखता था ना वो आँखों में तैरना शुरू हो जाएगा।
After a few days you will see that what you've been looking on the paper or the bulb, it start to hover over your eyes, you see it.
आँखों से फिर उसको दिल के ऊपर उतारे।
Then from the eyes, with concentration, try to bring it onto your heart.
फिर वो दिल में जज़ब हो जाएगा ना, दिल की धड़कन तेज हो जाएगी, उसके साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह पुकारे।
Then from your eyes, it will actually be absorbed into your heart. You'll see it written on your heart. At that point, your heart will start beating faster.
उसके साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह मिलाएं.
Then with the heartbeat, you say Allah, 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 with each and every beat.
कभी कभी हाथ रखो धड़कन के साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह मिलाएं.
Sometimes put your hand on your heart, feeling your heartbeat. With each and every beat, you say Allah, Allah, Allah.
कभी नब्ज़ पे हाथ रखो उसके साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह मिलाएं.
Sometimes feeling your pulse in your wrist. With each and every pulse, you say Allah, Allah.
कभी दौड़े या कोई ऐसा काम करे जिससे दिल धड़के उस धड़कन के साथ अल्लाह अल्लाह मिलाएं.
Sometimes do some form of physical exercise. Run or walk up and down the stairs, which makes your heart beat faster. And with each and every beat, you say Allah, Allah, Allah.
थोड़े दिन ऐसा करेगा दिल की धड़कनें अल्लाह अल्लाह करना शुरू कर देंगे.
You will do this for a few days, these practices. You will see that your heartbeat will actually change. It will convert from simply beating to saying Allah, Allah, Allah.
फिर वो अल्लाह अल्लाह दिल से होता हुआ खून में जाएगा और खून से रूह में जाएगा फिर रूह अल्लाह करना शुरू कर
Then
देंगे.
from the pumping action of the heart, that name will actually go into your bloodstream. It will eventually reach the soul, and then it will awaken. You'll hear it chanting the name of the Lord inside.
फिर काम काज करता रहे सोता रहे रूह अल्लाह अल्लाह करता रहे.
Thereafter, you'll be working and you'll be sleeping, but inside your soul will be chanting the name of the Lord all the time.
24 घंटे अल्लाह अल्लाह होगा ना तो अल्लाह का नूर उस दिल में इकट्ठा हो जाएगा.
When 24 hours a day inside your body, the name of the Lord will be chanted, the light of God will be formed, and it will find its place in the heart.
उस वक्त इसका टेलीफोन जो है ना वो ऑन हो जाएगा.
At that point, your telephone is on, you're connected.
बिजली की लहरें यहाँ से उठती और नूर की लहरें यहाँ से उठती अर्श मौला.
The rays of electricity can run from here to Europe and these are parts of the world. This light you have inside you will run from here and straight to where God is.
फिर ये इबादत करेगा वो भी ऊपर बात करेगा वो भी ऊपर.
And through this light in your heart, whatever you say and all the worship you do, from your heart will go straight to the Lord.
उस वक्त इसका कनेक्शन अल्लाह से होगा ना.
At that point you're connected with God. That's how you're connected.
इसके अंदर जो बुराइयां हैं जो की हुई हैं ना वो खुद जलती जाएंगी ना.
Then all the misdeeds that you've committed during your life and all the darkness that has developed as a result, slowly but surely they'll all disappear, fade away.
एक दिन बिल्कुल पाक साफ हो जाएगा.
The day will come when you'll be completely purified and enlightened.
तो जब ये पाक साफ होगा तो पाक चीज़ें से इकट्ठी हो जाएंगी दोस्त हो जाएंगी ना.
When you're purified, then you will see that other creatures, spiritual creatures which are of pure and of light, they'll start to surround you.
फिर इसके दुनिया के कामों में भी और आगे भी वो चीज़ें इसकी मददगार होंगी.
Those spiritual bodies and the angels and other creatures which are of good and of light and love of God, they will help you in this world and in the hereafter. They're always gathered around you.
रूहानियत तो ही है ना. लोग छोटे छोटे सबक लेकर बैठे हुए हैं वो रूहानियत तो नहीं है ना.
This is spiritualism. Most people just take a few little teachings and then just accept them and just sit down with them. That's not spiritualism. This is